I'm going to demonstrate how you can style your hair with the seamless clip-in hair extensions. This is my mannequin and you can see the length of her hair there. It's quite fine and wispy on the ends. So I'm going to add the seamless clip-in hair extensions and show you ways to help you style your own hair. I'm going to start by just adding the clip-in hair extensions into the head. A little bit of back combing before you add the extension. I'm going to attach two smaller pieces to each side. So it's just going to sit at the side and just make sure we don't get it too close to the hairline. So I've just added the full set of extensions so you can see how much longer and thicker the hair is. So it's all ready for styling now. Right, you're going to take your first section just under the crown. We take some hair from both sides, but just leave a little bit out at the front. So that's the amount of hair you can see I have. So we're going to split this into two. And then we're going to twist each piece of hair towards the middle. 1, 2. And then repeat on the other side. 1, 2. Then I'm going to tie an elastic into the hair. So that's your first section. Then we're going to repeat exactly the same just below. So we take another piece from the side. Another piece from this side. And we're going to repeat, but this is going to sit above this ponytail. So, a little brush. So there we go, we twist to the centre, 1, 2, and then the same on the other side. Twist, 1, 2, hold the hair firmly and put in the elastic. So you can see, so we have two there now. And we're going to repeat this as we go further down the ponytail. If you're doing this on yourself, you could try and bring the hair round to the front like this, so you can see what you're doing. I'm going to use a little bit of texture spray and just pull this out slightly. I'm going to finish the bottom with it's just the end with a fishtail. So we go one over, over. We take a little piece from each side and just repeat. Just repeat the pattern and you can start to see the fishtail braid starting to form. When you get to this stage, you can put it round to the front, round here like this, and then you can just start to just tease the braid. So you start to pull it out, but be careful not to pull out too much, because if the hair falls out, it's a bit tricky getting it back in again. So this is the finished braid style. It's quite simple. You just need a few elastics, try and tie it into them sort of twisted ponytails, and a little bit of a fishtail braid on the end. You can bring the hair round to the side and try and do it that way. You might find it a little bit easier. I'm now going to show you how you can change this style into an updo, and it's quite quick and easy just to kind of twist round and pop it up. I'm just going to make a hole in the centre here, and we're going to get the end and literally feed it through. So you grab hold of that end and pull. Pulled it right through. And I'm going to twist this to the side and pop that end back in through the centre. And we need some curvy grips to secure. Right, so you can see how that's just gone straight up into an updo. You do need to do a few clips, just because there's quite a lot of hair there, just so you've got that extra security. And then I would just pull this out so it's a little bit more relaxed and undone, and you've got like a nice soft updo.